In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge shapes in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're designing logos, icons, illustrations, or simple graphics, knowing how to combine shapes into one clean vector is an essential skill. The good news is that Illustrator makes this incredibly easy using a built-in tool called Pathfinder. By the end of this video, you'll be able to merge multiple shapes into a single unified object in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and either create a new document or open an existing project. To merge shapes, you'll obviously need at least two shapes on your artboard. You can create shapes using the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, or any of the shape tools from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Simply click and drag on the artboard to draw your shapes. If you already have shapes in your design that you want to combine, you can use those instead. Now, position your shapes so that they overlap in the way you want them merged. The Unite function combines overlapping areas into one single shape, so the way your shapes intercept will directly affect the final result. You can move shapes around using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Click on a shape and drag it into position. Take a moment to adjust the layout until you're happy with how everything overlaps. Once your shapes are ready, the next step is to select all the shapes you want to merge. To do this, click and drag your mouse over all the shapes to create a selection box around them. Alternatively, you can hold down the Shift key and click on each shape one by one until they are all selected. You'll know they're selected when you see anchor points and bounding boxes around each shape. With all your shapes selected, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which is the tool we'll use to merge the shapes. If you're using a workspace where Pathfinder is already visible, you can skip this step. The Pathfinder panel contains several shape modes that allow you to combine, subtract, intersect, or divide shapes in different ways. In the Pathfinder panel, look at the top row under Shape Modes. You'll see several icons. The very first one is called Unite. This is the option we need. Simply click on Unite and Illustrator will instantly merge all selected shapes into one single shape. The overlapping areas will be combined and you'll now have one unified vector object instead of multiple separate shapes. After clicking Unite, click anywhere outside the shape and then select it again to confirm that it's now a single object. You'll notice that all the individual paths are gone and everything behaves as one combined shape. You can now change its color, resize it, add a stroke, or apply effects just like you would with any other single vector object. If you ever need to edit the shape further, you can use the Direct Selection tool, which is the white arrow, to adjust individual anchor points and refine the merged design. This gives you full control over the final result. And that's how you merge shapes in Adobe Illustrator. As a quick recap, create or select your shapes, make sure they overlap correctly, select them all, open the Pathfinder panel from Window, and click Unite. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.